Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to block someone on TikTok. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up TikTok here and say this random account if I want to block them. What I can do is swipe to the left here to get to their specific profile. And then at the very top right, I can tap on those three dots. And then at the bottom here, you can see block so I can block them. And it says they will not be able to send you messages, see your post, or find your profile, and they will not be notified if you block them. So I can hit block here. Now, if you don't necessarily remember exactly all the people that you blocked, you can always go to your block list and see everybody that you've blocked. To do that, let's hop out of here and tap on Profile at the bottom right here, and then the three lines at the top. Right, and Settings and Privacy here. Now we'll scroll wheel. Tap on Privacy at the very top here, and then we'll scroll down. And at the bottom here, second bottom, you can see blocked accounts. I can tap on that, and you can see here all of these different blocked accounts. This is exactly all the people that you've blocked. You can always go to their profile and unblock them if you feel like it, and you'll be able to see all of the people that you block. And of course, if you want to engage with them again, you can always unblock them. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.